welcome to Evolve Science classes. This is chapter number 1, crop production and management, part 3, where we are going to study about the agricultural practices. Now it is sowing and manure, adding manure and fertilizers. In my previous video, we did with agricultural implements, that is the plow, and also underlined the difficult words. In the same manner, हम sowing भी अब start करेंगे. First explanation by reading and then we are going to mark the difficult words. So let's get started. Sowing is an important, here you get the words written here. Sowing is an important part of crop production. Firstly, you should know what is sowing. Sowing मतलब seeds को grow करना by the process of germination. In germination हम सीड्स को प्लांट्स बनने में मदद करते हैं. सीड्स जो ड्राई होते हैं वी सोक देम इन वाटर एंड वी अलाउ देम टू गेट द न्यूट्रिएंट्स एंड देन एक छोटा सा रूट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ अ स्प्राउट कम्स आउट एंड धीरे धीरे फिर वो प्लांट में बन जाता है. सो सोइंग इज़ एन इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ क्रॉप प्रोडक्शन. बीज को बोना इज सोइंग. बिफोर सोइंग, सोइंग करने से पहले गुड क्वालिटी क्लीन, इट्स रिटन हियर, गुड क्वालिटी क्लीन एंड हेल्दी सीड्स ऑफ गुड वेराइटी आर सिलेक्टेड. फार्मर्स प्रेफर टू यूज सीड्स विच गिव हाई ईल्ड. फार्मर्स जो हैं वो गुड क्वालिटी सीड्स को ढूंढ कर निकालते हैं, उनको छांट लेते हैं और उन्हीं सीड्स को फिर यूज़ करते हैं ताकि उनका प्रोडक्शन ज़्यादा हो. नेक्स्ट, selection of seeds. In this, firstly, to get the good seeds, we can keep them in water. जो seeds पानी में अंदर डूब जाती हैं वो सही होती हैं और जो float करती हैं वो damaged seeds होती हैं. How can we get to know? Damaged seeds कैसे हो गई? जिन्हें कीड़े खा लेते हैं तो उनके बीच में गड्ढा हो जाता है तो उसमें हवा भर जाती है and then they will float. So farmers always select the seeds which are settled at the bottom of the water and then they start with the process of sowing. Now let us see what is to be done. Are these seeds which float on water? Are these seeds which float on water? Those be, are there seeds which float on water? Would these seeds lighter or heavier? You all know it will be lighter, that's why it's floating, than those which sink. Why would they be lighter? Damaged seeds become hollow and are thus lighter, that's why they float in water. This is also a good answer if you are asked in a question. Then this is a good method for selecting good healthy seeds from the damaged ones. Before sowing, one of the important tasks is to know about the tools used for sowing. अब हमें sowing करना है, हमें अगर seeds को खेत में लगाना है तो हमें implements कौन से use करने हैं. Traditionally ये funnel होता था, this one, which the bullocks are actually using, means carrying, that is in the form of a funnel, and you see two people are standing. One is holding the funnel and the other one is actually applying the seeds into the funnel. This is a very time taking process. क्या होगा, ये बुलॉक्स जो है फनल को खींचते रहेंगे, हर पॉइंट पे ये फनल आगे को आएगा, बुलॉक्स आगे जाएंगे, फिर इस फनल को यहाँ पे गाड़ा जाएगा, फिर एक सीड डाली जाएगी एंड अगेन फॉरवर्ड, then again forward and then again forward like this. This is a very time taking process. तो क्या सोचा गया था कि ये obviously on those times, in earlier times, primitive measures थे, जो agricultural tools थी वो modern नहीं थी, तो this was used as for sowing the seeds. Now we are also going to see which type of implement is used these days. So let's have a look. Seed drill. This is the picture of a seed drill. A seed drill can be used for sowing nowadays because it can be used easily with the help of a tractor, and time saving. It saves labor also. How is it used? This is a very important thing, that how is it used. Seed drill is having pointed ends at equal distances and equal depth. These are the pointed ends. These pointed ends go inside the soil. These pointed ends will go inside the soil at equal distances and equal depth, and side by side they will also sow the seeds here. So at a time we can sow not only one seed but many seeds. That is why it is said that these seed drills, they sow the seeds uniformly at equal distance and depth. It also ensures that the seeds get covered by the soil after sowing. This protects the seed from being eaten up by the birds. Sowing by using such a seed drill saves time and labor. ये साथ ही साथ इन सीड्स के ऊपर मिट्टी भी भर देता है. आगे जब होता रहता है तो इस पर मिट्टी भी डलने लगती है. तो इससे क्या होता है, सीड्स जो है मिट्टी के अंदर दब जाती है. अलग से दोबारा से मिट्टी दबानी नहीं पड़ती है. और जब मिट्टी के अंदर दब जाती है तो बर्ड्स इन सीड्स को नहीं खा पाते. दिस इज़ अ वेरी गुड टेक्निक फॉर सोइंग द सीड. नाउ देयर इज़ अ स्मॉल different type rather of growing seeds, which is called as transplantation. This is basically done for plants like paddy. So I'm showing it to you here. Please have a look. Paddy is grown by sowing in a different method. This is a water-borne area. This which one I'm drawing is having water-borne area. पानी से भरी हुई जगह है. और यहाँ पे है एक बड़ी सी खेत. इसमें भी पानी है, खूब सारा पानी है. Now seeds of paddy is nothing but rice. They are grown here in cluster. एक साथ बहुत सारे seeds को यहाँ पे germinate कर लिया जाता है. When they are very small, they are grown at one place because they are to be again shifted. तो यहाँ पे बहुत सारे छोटी छोटी सीड्स को ग्रो कर लिया जाता है. देन these small plants are transplanted to a bigger field filled up with water. तो यहाँ पे अब यहाँ से छोटे छोटे पौधे लाकर डिफरेंट एरियाज में एट इक्वल डिस्टेंस एंड इक्वल डेप्थ इन प्लांट्स को लगा दिया जाता है. दिस प्रोसेस इज कॉल्ड एज ट्रांसप्लांटेशन एंड इट इज स्पेशली डन फॉर पैडी फार्मिंग. So sowing is a very important process, because if the sowing of the seed is not proper and it is not having appropriate distance, then it will cause overcrowding of the plants. हम कभी भी किसी भी फील्ड में इस तरह के प्लांट्स नहीं ग्रो कर सकते because ये overcrowding, plants will stop growing, they may die. So we have to have all the plants in proper distance and depth. So that is why sowing is supposed to be a very, very important process. Now let's continue.